So in this example, we're looking at the LangFlow. LangFlow is a framework that's built on Langchain, and Langchain is really picking up steam at the moment. It's very heavyweight, and it's capable of doing a lot of cool stuff under the hood. Also, what goes to memory, it can look at what has been done before, what goes to the tasks and the questions and so on. So let's check it out. You need to integrate your API key here, which we looked at earlier in the course. Let's check out the basic chat. So normally it is 3.5, but you can go up to 4. Not all people are allowed to go prior this one or before 5. It's not out yet, but you have 32, but you're not able to interact with that yet. But 4 is okay. And then we just down here we click on this one to spin it up, and we start to interact with it. Hello, what is the capital in Italy? So hello, the capital of Italy is Rome. Okay, and we can continue, but let's try some other cool examples here. What do we have here? My collection. We have this one. I also did input the API key, so that was good. Let's try it out. So it actually has a prompt here where you can write some cool stuff, and so let's check out another cool thing you have here. They have a program or an app called the CSV Loader. Maybe PDF Loader. I think I will go for PDF Loader instead. And I just need to insert my API key. So actually you have to you need to put it here. Open API. And up here. Open API, not the base one. And then so also go for the 4.0 version. Zoom out here, it's a little bit complex. So up here on file paths, let's check it out. So I have a document called Blackstone. Yep, it's loaded, it's ready. So we can also down here set the temperature what goes to OpenAI and the output. So the lower the temperature, the more precise it is. If you set it to 0.9 or 0.8 and so on, it will get more alternative and more creative. So what goes to BlackRock and PDF, if we need to look at their return and their yearly reports, it will be good to have a low temperature. Always when if it has something to do with numbers and so on and finance, set it as a low temperature. Okay, let's click on this one, run. Oh, it needs to analyze the data. So now it should be good to go. Let's start it up here. What is the document about? can see it's thinking here, right? And analyzing the documents. Okay, there you go. The document is a financial report from Blackstone for the second quarter of 2023. Okay, let's ask how did it go? So how did it turn out for Blackstone? Okay, what about Q1? That's from January to March, right? Until the end of March. Okay, I'm not really impressed what goes to that. Does it not really say in the reports? Okay, please, sum. Please, okay. Oh, my mistake. Please sum up the main points in the PDF. Okay, that is right. The PDF appears to be a financial report. The main points include total investment income. Okay. Yep, that's pretty smart. It's very powerful, especially if you have if you're in a big company and a lot of employees looking at the intranet and looking at the best practice and looking for FAQs and so on. This is a great tool to develop a good resource for that by just asking questions, right? And then just putting all the knowledge from the company, just feed it, with a lot of text files, PDF files, and can even also some of the apps can also look at the websites directly, and also all content on websites what goes to just looking at the sitemap. So it's really heavy, and it's a game changer.